Welcome to Really Reactions, a show about the people I come in contact with and the stupid arguments that happen between them that make you say, "Really?" This is where it all began, the place where one of the stupidest arguments happened just a day ago. Because of this and this. Are you kidding me? It was like war. It was like Stan Van Gundy versus Dwight Howard after the lockout season. Just didn't make any sense. And this little guy right here is the casualty of this war. So let's begin. Yesterday, I had way too many of these and not enough of these. You know what that means. It means it was time to wash. So when I went downstairs to go use the washing machine, I opened it up and found a whole bunch of towels, small towels, medium hand towels, and nice gigantic sized big towels, a sweater, and some pants. So let me show you a little picture. Did you see it? Hold on, one more time. Look again. I hung that sweater and that pair of pants up just like the other ones. One of these things is not like the other. Which one? My thoughts exactly. Everything looks the same, right? So then she asked, "Who moved my clothes out of the washer?" This guy. And the conversation proceeded as followed.
Why would you move my laundry from the washer?
I'm sorry. I thought you were done.
My clothes aren't supposed to be hung up in that manner.
Now, as you can see, all of your clothes are hung up just like that. I was doing you a favor by putting them up on the hangers. But but I hung them up just like the rest of them down there. All your other clothes look like that.
No, they are not.
There's that phrase again. Let's look at the picture one more time.
Then I just won't wash in the house anymore or buy detergent.
Really? Well, I spoke to the washer and the new baby bottle of detergent, and they have a little message from them to you. You didn't think they really were going to talk, did you? Seriously, what are you waiting for? They're inanimate objects. They're not going to talk to you. Believe me. Thanks for watching the first episode of Really Reactions. Hope you had a good laugh. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. And I guess I'll see you at episode 2. Thanks for watching.